What up, fellas? Welcome to the very first episode of How You Feeling today. It's gonna be a self-documentary short video diary that I upload to this community on a daily basis, starting from today, January 9th, 2019. I actually have been thinking about this for a long while since it first popped up into my mind. If I to be honest with you, I have never wrote something like diaries or something that is capturing my daily life is and keep everything on track and review some of the inside thoughts. What are something I learned, something I like and hate about. I just want to do it differently. Year 2018 is actually a very special year in my life, and I'm talking without a script. I bought my first ever camera, the Sony A7r3. I struggled a long time deciding if I want to go the generation 3 or 4. Then I bought my second camera, the Sony A7r3, the full frame. I rent a 16-35 lens on my trip to Alaska, which is another epic story, and I bought the lens right after my journey back from Alaska. My phone got stolen on my trip to Mexico City, I think during April, with Jack Nee, obviously, from high school friend. There was a graduation ceremony on the May. My parents come over. It was a huge accomplishment of my past experience, all these years I spent in school and study, all that stuff.
Thomas Matthew Carpinello, Pablo Isaiah Criel, Joseph Enrico, Frankie Javier Bueno, Jude Liu, Xiaozhen Zhang, Yang Kai Chan, Kai Su. Now please welcome the graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Business Data Analytics. Aviana Nicole Gonzalez, Michael Anthony Perez, Dustin Lacey, Joseph Abraham Singh.
I went to see the NBA final in Cleveland City to watch LeBron James for the first time in my life, which is also a shame because not watching NBA, so-called basketball enthusiasm for the past so many years. It was an awesome road trips. I went to see the stars and the bout for the first time ever. It was absolutely stunning. I never thought these things was real. Oh, by the way, it's not really that dramatic. It's white and black. It's not like very colorful Milky Ways. Then was moving back to China, moving back to Shanghai. It was also a big deal. This changing environments from Tempe to Shanghai. I thought it was gonna be the city that I missed, but actually it's the desert that I can't let go. And I started my first ever formal job in Savos retail. That's what I'm doing right now. I really enjoy it. I just say this is absolutely a job that I feel passionate and excited about, and I think that's all it matters when it comes to jobs. So I would say I enjoyed it. And then it come to the 2019, which is, I hope the dream come 2 years. I hope I can do more on the stuff I love, on the stuff I like, on the stuff that I adore. Don't waste your time in life on something that you don't feel passionate about. And for me, what made my heart racing is photography. Cinema photography is all that stuff. I hope I can get more jobs, more money obviously, and more trips to the place I wanted, and play around with all my camera and gears and my dreams and life, all that stuff. This is like way longer than what I expected. I thought it's gonna be like a episode of 1 minute each. Oh, and also, since today is the first episode as well as the year start, I'd like to share with you guys some of the goal that I set, the tune of 2019. Let's start with the first one. The first goal of the year is I want to lose some weight and come down to 95 kilos, which is equivalent to 220 pounds. The second goal is to watch 3 Formula 1 races, maybe in Japan, Singapore, and China, Shanghai Grand Prix. third goal is have a travel to Japan, earn $500,000, everything included for this year. Go to Europe for one, at least 3 formal videos, not including these interviews a week. 1 interview with myself per day, like what we are doing right now. 1 half marathon. Visit 10 different cities. Get a new professional camera. Ideally, the camera is gonna be either a really good Canon 1DX Mark III or a A7R3 from Sony. A new computer for editing and display monitor. And last but not least, become a pro filmmaker. Yep, so that's it for my goals of 2019, and this is also the end of the first episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's any, just leave the comment below, let me know. And I hope I can accomplish all of these goals in 2019, and also wish you guys all good luck for your year in 2019. Accomplish all of your goals, and let's cheer up for ourselves. Bye for now.